Hello there everyone and welcome aboard. Leon ARKEDY here again, and today we are going to learn how to set up an icon for your removable drive. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have a removable drive here, which is XIFER X, and it doesn't have any new icon. This one is the default icon for removable drives. So what we're going to do to set up an icon for this removable drive or whatever you have, this one is another removable drive, and these are the system drives. But this one is a little flash drive that I have, and I want to set up an icon. So this is what you do. First of all, you have to make a new text file, and you have to name this autorun.inf. But it didn't work as I wanted it to be because the extensions are hidden. So we have to check our file name extensions here. As you can see, it's not marked, so you have to change it from text to inf. So just remove the .txt and click enter, and now it has become an inf file. So we're gonna have to write something in this inf. So open it, and these are the things we have to write in here, which is autorun, and the next line we have to write icon and equals drive.ico. It has to be the name of the icon you're going to set. As you can see, I'm going to use this one, so I have to write down exactly what it says, drive.icon here. And in the next line, you can just write the level of the drive you want to change. It's not important, but I still did it. So after writing, you just click save. It's done. Let's recheck that for one last time just to be sure. Okay, there they are. So after writing these codes into that inf file with the icon included, you have to copy them inside the removable drive that you want to change the icon of. So let's open it and paste it here. So after copying the files inside the removable drive, you won't see any changes yet because it has to be inserted in the machine again. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, and I'm going to insert it again. And there we go. As you can see, we have changed the icon of the removable drive. It's that simple, and I'm gonna also write the code in the description. You can just copy paste it and just create an inf file. So that would be it, my friends. It's as simple as that.